Hello. So this channel submission is all about article translation management. So as you see there, you can see two pick list, one as languages and draft published status. Sorry, published status. So this language pick list is generated dynamically by describing on language field for knowledge article versions. So this would list all the languages that are enabled in your org, and status again described on knowledge article version, and all the status are then added to this pick list. So by default this page displays list of articles for English language and published status as draft. Also, if you have noticed, there is a pagination which would for this particular demo I have kept 2 as page size for a particular record set, but it can be increased. And if I click on next, it gives me next one. So let's test for Spanish. So there are total 3 particular articles for Spanish, and the translation exported date is also present here. This says that this is not a master language, so this has been added for translation, and it lists down particular master articles. And if we go next, then this is the particular article which we would be testing in this demo. So now we can filter these articles by odd articles or modified articles. So modified articles is nothing but articles that were modified after the translation has been done or exported. So so now if I click on this modified articles, there are no records displayed. So let's first import few articles on this. So if I go to say Spanish, and if we choose this file, and let's say import now, finish. So now let's check this article. Now I'll refresh it. Okay, so it says that it has been completed. Today is 15th date and 3:14 a.m. So now let's go and see the status of this. So now if I filter by all articles, click next. So translation imported date and translation completion date are now filled, but if still the modified articles would be none, because this have been exported now and the master article is not yet modified. So let's go ahead and edit this article. Now edit this, say demo for test, and let me save it. So this has been modified after it was imported for translation. So now let me refresh this page. Okay, and let's go to Spanish, say get articles, then filter it by modified articles. This is the article now. So there is a check all functionality, or we can select individual records and even records that were selected in this page, and if we click on the next page and select some of the articles in next page, so all this selection would be retained, and then when we click on submit for translation, it would show me to select a particular queue and a language. So this is the language which you have selected earlier, but if we want we can change here. But let me do for Spanish, and I will hit on submit for translation. So what it does at backend is it would delete the original translation item, and it will add this one. So now message that article has been submitted successfully for translation. Hope you like my submission. Thank you.